Jamaica's baddest. Allstar
Just talking about that.
the official party.
No, one bag of sus the other day online, Rick. One bag of sus. So basically online, you know, dancehall selector, foothype.
Yeah.
None other than foothype.
Foothype Mixup.
You know, he might beat a bag of somebody online from what you understand?
Then beat him back too.
So basically, what start the thing? You know, shenseea new video.
Yeah.
You understand? Bless.
Yes, yeah. Big video as well. Big up
The
shenseea
big
for
video,
that.
but you don't know the video started. It kind of raunchy, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Wake up with 2 chicken in bed and baiting. So, you know, foothype go online and about out a bag of people from Conscience to Shenseea to Romeich, you know, one heap all a baloo. So, leading, I shouldn't say leading up to this. Going fast forward from this now.
Yeah.
This week, you know, Vybz Kartel and Squash Bass.
Yeah.
New video drop. So, you know the new song, a bad song. See
Know the song?
with a 2 girl in a bed, you know what I mean?
But what him say now?
He want to take a stab at the world boss, you understand? And
Him will,
you know the Gaza Nation, I beat foothype bad, and cause
him will go lose, you know.
I was on the online
Yeah.
watching it and people are, you know, I be a threatening and at times I will lose him life cause I'm out and be things. And yeah. But
No, but alright.
I like how foothype dealt with it cause I must say he's not gonna be the first person who lose him life cause them out.
I'm not lie, but here now. Here my problem with this now. It's a foothype in need to decide which art him go wear. So if him go wear the selector, him want to be the selector. In can't, you can't wear the sit on both sides of the fence. So if you're gonna be a selector, be a selector. If you're gonna be a media person, an analyst, it's fine. No one say you can't do it, but you can't play 2 roles one time. I understand what you might try to do. You might try to be a me for dancer, but some things. Alright, you see, in a Nara, remember when Nara they get disrespect from Spice? Me have to understand it from Nara. Nara is a media person. So when that come to him, it comes with the job. With foothype is a selector. So when you see certain things, you know if you say certain, you know if you say nothing, basically.
I feel like it's a certain topic in dancehall you should try avoid because like them say publicity good or bad help you, but some of the time like
Some of the time it's not necessary.
it put off people off your brand. You get what I'm saying? Because like him see the road where dancehall go from a long time ago. Not saying foothype is wrong.
Yeah.
Not saying that he's wrong, but I think like the music long time evolved past the point where he must try defend.
Yeah, because it's petty. Basically, I try to tell people how to. Remember, say no, you have to understand. No. Remember,
we evolved past that part long time.
Long time, brother. Is that you like it?
You know, and you know what I mean? And Wet and Dirty Friday and them sitting there. From them time, the dancehall and footer, you have to understand because those was your prime when you was the one of the man select. You was the man.
Yeah, the hottest thing.
So to be honest, I kind of feel fault, you know, because as some of them selector we kind of bring across those things because those was the like a ranchy part in a dancer where the video man I put the camera under the girl's skirt and man and girl in a dancer go on with them ray and tear. So you have to blame on yourself too. So when you understand that the music evolved long time, it gone past that part. Not say I'm promoting homosexuality into dancehall. Homosexuality will never have a place in dancehall. But you know what the thing go? Man and man like them 2 girl in a bed and 2 girl in a video. No man now put no man and man in a dancehall video. I don't think it's gonna be there foothype. So
yeah,
you have to understand. The other little part there, you are gonna lose. You understand?
You can't go win.
And the same problem him have with fame little chick Shenseea. Saying? Cause remember, you know, that was one of the moving point what Shenseea draw because like Shenseea they want the threesome and the big things and you know what I mean?
I'm Shenseea man, Miss Legendary.
Not Shenseea man, sorry.
Yeah, you see that now?
I Shana man.
You put Shenseea man, I Shana.
But listen, like she have foothype have you understand cause remember Shenseea they come public boat for her thing, you know, say yeah she
do what she do and
she do what she do, you understand? She give away heads, you know what I mean?
And big up to Shenseea. Yeah, she's heads of society. I like that. Big up to her.
Big up to Shenseea, big up to Romeich Entertainment. I think they are doing very well in terms of the dancehall space and they are going to break internationally.
You know what me feel?
I think so.
You know what me feel? All right. You see like how dancehall no really have no governing body, and you no really have no great control. I think the government of Jamaica should incorporate some people to regulate the dancehall and manage. Like, I know it's you can't really control, but this is what Romeich is doing. I think Romeich is doing the best thing in terms of managing an artist and in terms of evolving the brand of dancehall. Because shenseea music and ding dong.
He's doing a good job, but you have some unsung, what you call it, management and producer, because you have to understand, Romeich kind of have that, what you call it, that persona, where when him come out, him a the man with talk in the camera, he will snap on him Instagram and all these things. You have a lot of management and producer who is not doing that.
He's not doing that.
You never see them face, because remember Romeich was always this person before he'd pick up this role of managing Ding Dong and shenseea and TJ.
But he might do a very good job out
He's
of
doing
it.
a very good job, and I think that Romeich try link up with some of the other, what I say, managers or producers in Jamaica.
Because
not really show them what to do. We can incorporate a thing, and then we have like, what I call it, a governing body.
Yeah, because it need that.
Our music, because like, if you leave it to Jamaica government, you know the thing will go.
It not gonna work. And if you realize everything Romeich do turn to goal. Because the man take up no disrespect to Ding Dong. Ding Dong was a very good artist. He was doing good music. But he wasn't appealing to the bigger market.
I'm not even gonna say about Ding Dong. I would really say shenseea, because Ding Dong was out there. Ding Dong was
Ding Dong
he was shenseea from nothing to something, because like, when I started to do a bit of research and I realized that shenseea was one of his promotional girls.
Yeah.
One of the girls would go on the street with him at night time. You know, like a little girl where him also can DJ and she have talent. And like, I can see like him sit down and like think about a marketing strategy. How can I get this girl across to the world for everybody to know about her? Yeah. And you know, him take time and him push her a little. Remember one of the time she did win what in a YVA awards, the best young artist or upcoming young artist, something like that. She did win an award for.
Yeah.
Don't beat me if I'm wrong, but something along that line. She did win an award, and I say yeah. And at that point, I didn't know about shenseea because I haven't heard none of her music. I haven't known her as a DJ, but she said he's been putting in some groundwork. Yeah,
because he's working behind the scenes.
Okay.
And you might not hear what really going for the artist, but he might do what he's supposed to do.
I think so. He found himself with a brilliant team around him.
And that
because
is the key.
Like, if you realize from Zip or no Dream of Jade from Zip, where Jade usually do a lot of things for Zip, and Jade left Zip for Romeich Entertainment, or I wouldn't say for Romeich Entertainment, but when he left Zip, when she left Zip, he should join Romeich Entertainment, and like the thing is well structured and well marketed, and even compared down to Romeich, what I call it, DJs.
Yeah.
Everything is all. I would say everything look very unified.
It look uniform
for me, and very, what I say, uniform as well.
It looks attractive, and the point is, for the whole space itself, I think that the Jamaica space need to take a page out of Romeich Entertainment and what he's doing. And most people, some people not gonna like it, and some people not gonna agree with it, but it is working, and his music is selling. And shenseea song, I don't know how then get it working, or if how much money involved, but I hear shenseea song playing on mainstream radio.
Yeah, you over here like from the first week.
It a play. I mean, I play one time.
I hear pan big radio, pan BBC, pan all of them.
Yeah.
And that's true about the work that put in, and like they sit down and them tell shenseea, because remember, you know, me no know shenseea as a girl with twang and thing. Remember when she start the song, she start like rap, and then she mix it back with a Jamaican flavor, so she don't lose the authenticity of herself, because like she don't want to jump in and try come in like I wanna be Cardi B or I wanna be Nicki Minaj or Rihanna. She have to kind of find herself, and this song gonna open a lot of doors for shenseea. To be honest, like it's a very, very good plan them formulate. When I don't know who is the man behind this thing. Either is it Russian or is it Romeich, or you guys formulate it, but it's job well done.
Job well done. And big up to Coffee Management as well. whoever investing in coffee, they're doing a very good job. As I say, coffee is in full rotation on the big station as well. We can hear, and you know what I'm glad for? The most thing I'm glad for when you go up to certain venues, there's more songs added into the collection where you can play.
Okay.
More song, one song, cause Coffee Rapture play upon playlist, so you can incorporate it.
Coffee Rapture, the one with Toast and all these
and
songs.
Toast, yeah. Toast didn't even need the help, but the Rapture.
It's a big song, and it's not just in our little diaspora.
No.
And in our little community or our island, or it's worldwide.
It's worldwide. It is. Yeah.
You have to understand, and some of the time, you remember the other day when they was bashing all these, what you call it, these hip hop artists where was singing like dancehall and taking a thing out of our flavor. And this is one of the spin-off that coming out of it, because listen, that give a little highlight to what we are doing. So when we get some good material, the world pay more attention to it.
You know, see who the dancehall song in a year. The two biggest pop artists do a dancehall song, Ed Sheeran and Justin Bieber.
Yeah, and
you hear it yet? Come in, you know hear it yet.
No, me not hear it yet because me never there look fit. But you know what? I have to give a big shout out to DJ Khaled.
Yeah, Khaled are the man.
DJ Khaled, big up yourself, because you're one of the man them who put the respect away for there.
And you know what I like with Khaled? When Khaled do it, Khaled no water it down and try call it nothing else. Him call the artist them name and him call it for what it is. Him call it dancehall. And people don't understand how important it is when you tag the thing the right way. If you're going to do the music and you're going to talk about this tropical house and rare, or you're going to do whatever, it's not helping the people who it's supposed to help. So that's why me and Dragon always have that shoot out here.
You know what the thing, I'm going to try a thing. I'm going to try premiere a quick piece of this song before they cut the live. I'm not going to play more than 10 seconds. A DJ called new album. This album is titled Father of Assad. And this is my favorite, I should say one of my favorite songs on it.
20 seconds, because you know they will cut off the Facebook Live if we play too long. You know them stay them straight.
Yeah. So this is one of my favorite songs on it. Let's go.
We the best music. DJ Khaled. Where thou standeth is
right there. You know me not play no more scene. Because if me play anymore, they will cut it.
Yeah.
So you know all them big producer you go and you know you're alright.
Yeah.
So you see this Buju Banton Holy Ground. This is little rhythm where it start like you feel a little happy vibe to it, you know what I mean? Like you're there on a beach, I drink a red stripe with a jelly side there with a back like rum.
It's relaxing.
You know, after you done drink a red stripe, it's just rips, rum in your jelly and a braffins.
Of course, I mean. And while before we go any further, we just big up some people on Facebook right now. Big up the Chino Lakin Dream Team. Good evening to Eduardo Sanchez Lakin as well, all the way in California, last Lakin. Good evening to Marlon. Hey, Gangoli, what's up, my brother? Good evening to you. Welcome to the show. VC Shang up now. Good evening to I2K. I mean, big up to I2K. Always got a lot this way. You know we're going to campaign with the song. You know it already, right? All the time, big up yourself.